morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. Yes, today is Tuesday, and today is Tablescape Tuesday. Guys, I'm going to be doing a sitting for one. I'm just going to be sitting here, and I'm going to actually enjoy this table. It's cloudy here. It's about to start raining, so I'm just going to sit here and watch some movies or in my TV, watch some video and catch up with people's video. So when you watch videos on the TV, of course you cannot make comments, but just know that I will be watching. Next, I'm going to use, this is a curtain. So I'm going to use, and it's a fall, very thin curtain. I'm going to arrange this because I'm going to use it. I don't want to cover the bottom because as you guys can see, you can see the table. I just want to see the details. So guys, Tablescape Tuesday is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. I believe that this week there is no guest. So I'm going to do, like I said, a setting for one. It's going to be country or farm. I really don't know what I'm going with it because I have no idea what I was going to make. My big table is clutter. I have stuff in there that I need to put away that I've been working on. So this is what I'm doing this. So guys, I will link the host channels in my description box below so you guys can go and check them out. And also I will be linking the playlist. So let me arrange this and then we're going to continue with that, guys. Placement from the Dollar Tree. Play thrifted and the play thrifted. I don't know what else I'm going to do with this. I don't know where I'm going with it, guys, but I just do it like so. Honeycomb. I'm using both of my goblets. One is the dark color and one is the honeycomb, which it matched perfectly with it. Also, I'm going to be using thrifted napkins and thrifted napkin rings as well. So I will be placing this here. Okay. Simple cutlery. Cut. Actually, I want to move this down a little bit because I'm going to need a space on the top for what I want to do. Fork and knife and spoon from the party section of the Dollar Tree. Okay. I'm using gold napkin rings. So hold on, guys. I said napkin rings, but no, my gold candle holders with candles from the Dollar Tree as well. And also I'm going to be using this green tray, which it goes perfectly with the tablecloth because it has green in it. And in there I will be including my teapot, coffee pot, whatever you are drinking. So it goes perfectly with the setting. Okay. And let's see what else I'm going to add here. I really don't know what else to add, guys. I think I'm going to leave it simple. Oh, excuse me, guys. Um, I'm also going to add my um, little frames here. You guys seen this before. They have a little message in them. So, guys, I got up today with my allergies acting up so bad. All I've been doing is sneezing my head off. And it's been cloudy here. I woke up with cloudy weather. Now the sun is starting to come out. But it's like, my goodness, my allergies are bad. I hope you guys are doing good in this part of the world. And I want to say good morning, good evening, good night, whatever time you are watching. So here is my little DIY picture frame. Let me move I want this to be close for me to grab. So today is actually going to be a tea day. So like so. I think that's going to be it. No, it's not going to be it. I'm going to be using my little lantern from the Dollar Tree. It has a little lamp, a candle in it. The bowl, it was a DIY. I just got a little thing and put it in there. Very simple. So guys, I want to turn off the light and turn on the candles and show you what it looks like with the lights off and the candles on. So I want to thank Anna for the opportunity of participating on Tablescape Tuesday. She put this together every Tuesday, guys. So let's get to the reveal. Well, guys, the lights are off, the candles are lit. So let's see what the table looks in the evening. Look, table for one. Here we are. There is my little lantern from the Dollar Tree. I'm using this Rooster plate that I thrifted many years ago. The placement is from the Dollar Tree. Thrifted couplets. Both of them are thrifted. Everything in this table is thrifted, from this to the teapots. The only thing that is not thrifted is the plate. I mean, not the plate, this is from the party section from the Dollar Tree, and the placemat is from the Dollar Tree. The candles, everything else, oh, and the lantern, everything else is thrifted, including this, guys. So I hope you guys like it. I think it turned out very nice. I'm actually going to enjoy it. This is Tuesday morning. So I'm going to be making breakfast, and I'm going to be sitting here and enjoy my table for one, guys. All right, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Let me turn on the light. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.